And the battery's come out. Hang on. I've got no pin in there.
It's losing its power.
Lost all its go, isn't it? Pathetic. Got no balls. No, that's fucking it. Gutted. Such a gutless wonder. No. I'll put the other battery. Fucking had a shot. Fucking hell, the windscreen just bust out of it now. Must have got a screw. I think the screws come out from up here.
Yeah.
Shite, that's a shame. Right.
That battery's flat as well. Go, go, go! And,
Piece of shit. So these Tamiya connectors that are the cause, they're not charging up properly at home. Nah. I had it on charge, but obviously it wasn't making a very good connection.
Oh.
It's absolutely rubbish.
Got it then, game over.
That's it. I don't need it up my arse. We're not doing a porno. Not till later on, anyway.
Deja vu. I've been in this moment before. I don't know how.
Isn't that a toilet deja vu? Ready? You should keep until when I bring the ball head over.
Yeah? Well, I'll try to.
Until it's broke, I'll break you off some proper like. So let's do it, W style as we rock and ride. No time for the running time, but ain't nothing wrong with a bump and grind. You wanna serve it up, I wanna play, but ain't no need for that because I'm already in. We can do it fast or nice and slow. Everything is cool if we keep it on the down low. I gotta have it and it's just like that. I'm coming for the girls with the fat. We like the girls with the fat. Where they at? Where they at? We like the girls with the fat.
That's better, yeah, turn that shit off. You don't want to hear some Asian music. Oh my god, Rob, look. Right there. We need to turn the sub up a bit more. Ah, that's what I've been looking for.
I've got lots of that.
And cat litter. Yeah. No YouTube. Oh my god, look at the state of it up there.
Who?
I was just thinking to myself.
It's arranged.
I was just thinking to myself. I was was just thinking to myself
What are you thinking?
about how many things are on eBay at the moment. You've got 15 pages.
How do you know?
How many items?
166.
Really? Ow.
I've had maybe 30 phone calls today.
Really? Jesus. Is that how come you've been able to afford a new light? So where's all the cardboard type material come from?
Cardboard what? Cardboarding. When I moved into this unit, there was a petition.
Yeah, yeah.
Myself and Rich. It was across from this beaming down.
Where was it hidden and now all of a sudden?
Up the top.
Oh, right.
Because I went up at the weekend.
Yeah,
And
yeah. I
Real.
was going to say, it's kind of worth keeping, really. To be quite honest. Because it's useful.
Because I went up and rearranged. Well, I did keep it up there.
I mean, even if you used it on the floor when you were doing some sort of what do you call it? Get pajamas. Get pajamas, Roberto. The Rob's masturbation tool. It's incredible. In years to come, we'll be able to view this video and think how young we looked.
We are.
Oh, how young! And how beautiful. Yeah, Jamo, before we put them on eBay.
Never.
Never? But you need something fresh.
What, retro? Should I get some Alba? Samsung?
Alright, get something quality
JBC.
like Bush.
Fucking Bush. I've had plenty of Bush in this
I
workshop.
might have to go in and use your laptop.
Oh, wicked. I wouldn't if I were you.
Really? What's happened in there?
Well, you complain every time you go in there.
No, that's alright. I just have to bear it. You've got a Sony digital radio. Oh no, it's a... What?
Yeah.
Synthesizer.
It's a digital
Oh,
radio. It's a DAB, yeah.
But it's not the same colour, you have to get rid of it.
Silver was the only one available.
And you got another one of them? You said.
Yeah, but I've got a 400. And I can link them together. You can daisy chain them.
Yeah.
It's in the toilet.
Ah,
with the
right.
sub.
With another sub? Not another sub. Yeah, good quality that. That's amazing.
Wait till you see it on the
That's really
TV.
good. That's impressive. That
Well, wait till you see it on the TV
yeah.
widescreen.
No, that's a lot better than mine. By a long, long way. Yeah, that's in here. Oh! Hold on a minute. Oh yes, I remember you buying.
Active.
Oh, gee, I've totally forgotten that you had that. Incredible. Yes. But you're not using it yet.
Nope, I haven't got time to do it. I'll do it at some point. Wait for it. Hold on.
I think I might throw up. God, that's ugly.
You can take the cat.
That is so ugly. Yeah. God, that's even worse. I didn't think it could get worse. Shit. It's possibly one of the most.
Video the dash. Al.
It's possibly one of the most minging scooters I've seen.
How did I know you were going to say that?
Well, it's. Oh my God, it's got LED readout.
Yeah, it's a 1983. And it
What
works.
am I being attacked by? Oh, it's a bit of string. This bit of string. Yeah, it's very good quality.
Brake pedal?
Christ.
It's off the side of the bike.
I'll let you use it.
Serious
That's,
lack of exhaust at the moment.
That's horrendous. And nobody would have ever known. Completely seamless. Well, I'm sure in its day it was interesting. I quite like the digital
It's very
readout.
rare. Retro.
Sounds,
Oh, the light's stuck up. It's quite quick actually, it's water cooled.
yeah.
Very rare. I had this shipped down from Scotland.
Oh god.
It's that rare, and it rides really fucking well. I must show you the exhaust.
That's alright.
Look at the space.
Because we can't get in, Rob.
Pooch.
Oh yeah. Oh god, it's getting not much spraying being done in here.
Well, I'm trying to get these out first.
It's been a while since you've done any spraying.
I'm intending on buying that rare scooter from Coventry.
Oh no, not
So if you look in the electrical cupboard now, is where my 166 items are.
Yeah, really?
Yeah.
Is that everything that's on eBay? Even the welder?
No. Stuff on the left hasn't been listed yet.
Even the power supply?
Everything on the right is listed.
God. Yeah, very
But
interesting.
11 hours. 11 hours I sat on my laptop listing.
Yeah, that's really impressive. Yeah, hopefully.
Right, say goodbye.
Au revoir.
Greg.
Bye bye, Greg.